do you need to print the labels for your jars? Whether you're producing jam, honey, chutney, or any other kind of product that requires a label on its jar, then this is the right video for you. Hello everybody, my name is Stefano from Labelado, and today I will show you how you can easily print online high quality adhesive labels for your jars. The labels that I will show you come all in rolls that you can easily apply by hand, manually, or with the help of a machine. In this video, I will show you everything that you need to know. Everything that I will show in this video doesn't require any previous experience. And if you're interested in knowing more about Labelado and printing labels for branding your products, consider subscribing to this channel and hitting the notification bell so you won't miss any of my next videos. So without further ado, let's get into this. Labeling is the cheapest and most valuable branding strategy that you can do to your products. You want to give a good taste of your product to your customers in advance before they are buying it. A label for a product is like a business card for a person. Here you can see some examples of labels that you can produce on Labelado. I will leave a link into the description if you want to access the website. First of all, you require to have a graphic file. You don't have one? Well, don't worry, because on the homepage of Labelado, you can request a personalized graphic design even if you're starting from a raw idea. Our graphic design team will kindly help you in deciding which design to choose from. And when you're satisfied, you're ready to go. Okay, to start off, visit Labelado's website. The first thing I would suggest to do is to subscribe. The next step on the homepage is to press the Buy Now button. Let's start creating our quotation online so that we will be sure that we have decided all the characteristics of our product. And that will make us jump into a page where we can decide about paper, sizes, and everything we want to choose to make the label for our jar the best looking possible. So first of all, you can already say how many labels you're actually looking to produce. Let's insert the base and the height of the label. The European and United Kingdom version of the website will show all the measurements in millimeters, whereas for the Americans, the inches. Next, you will have to choose the paper type. Here at Labelado, we have a variety of papers to choose from natural papers to coated papers. We have polypropylene and some special paper, whether you're looking for some pearlescent paper or paper with metallized effect, like this one. You can press the I to get more information about the preferred substrate. And once you're done, you can jump to the next page. On this page, you can decide whether you want your roll in a certain winding. This data is mostly required if you have a machinery that can apply automatically the labels on the jars of your products. If you're applying it manually, just press the manual button, which has a hand icon, and just proceed. On this page, you can make your label more precious. So depending on the paper that you have chosen at the very beginning, you will have a certain list of finishings, ranging from matte varnishes to screen printing, hot foil, and laminating processes. For more information about all of these kind of finishings, you can visit our support page in the finishing section. The next page will let you choose the quantity. This is the total number of labels that you want to produce, and the reference number. When we are talking about references, we are talking about labels for different products that share the same size and shape and the same paper. So for example, you're producing homemade jams and you need the labels for their jars. You have two kinds of jams. You have strawberry jam and raspberry jam. Therefore, you have two references. You need to produce 500 of the strawberry ones and 200 of the raspberry ones. Therefore, the total quantity is 700 and the references are too. Don't worry, after the payment and the order has been received, you will be sent to a page where you can give a name to the single product and assign to the right product the requested quantity. So 500 for the strawberry one and 200 labels for the raspberry one. If you proceed, you reach the final page where you can check everything that you selected is correct. You can insert vouchers if you have one. Next, you can proceed and select the preferred method of payment. If you didn't log in before, you will be requested to log in or create an account if you didn't. I would suggest to create an account before starting to do the quotation, so you won't miss any detail. Once the order has been paid, you receive a link by email that will send you in your order section where you can insert the graphic files for your jams. Here, you can insert the description of the product. For example, strawberry jam jar label and raspberry jam jar label. Insert the requested quantities and save. Now, you can insert the corresponding file to the related label. A PDF file is requested. As mentioned before, if you don't have a PDF file, if you don't have a graphic design, you can request one from the homepage. Our PDF viewer will let you check if the file is correct. And also, you can insert comments. These comments will be read in the next 24 hours from our pre-press operators, and they will change the files accordingly. You can repeat this part as much as you can until you're satisfied and you have approved all the files. We won't proceed. On the top right corner, you can accept or decline the graphic changes that our pre-press operators will do on the labels for your jars. Once you're satisfied with the result, once all the files are accepted, we will start printing them and you will receive them by the requested deadline. These are all adhesive labels that you can easily peel with your hand and apply directly to your finished products. If you have more questions, check the description for our emails and contacts. You can also use the chat that we have online on our website, and our team will answer quickly. Leave a like if you like the video and comment down below if you have more questions on how to order the labels for the jars of your products, and I'll be glad to answer back. And as always, love you all. Ciao!